In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Teams through the web in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to explore what Microsoft Teams has to offer, this guide is designed to walk you through the process in a simple and efficient manner. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, we're going to navigate to the world's most popular search engine, Google. Simply type in google.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll see the familiar Google homepage pop up, ready for your query. Now on to the next step. In the Google search bar, you need to type in the word Teams. Make sure you spell it correctly to get the results we're aiming for. After typing it in, press enter, or click on the Google search button. In just a moment, Google will present you with several search results related to Teams. Here's a crucial part. Out of all these results, you want to find the one that says Microsoft Teams, or better yet, has a URL like teams.microsoft.com. This is the direct way to access Microsoft Teams through the web, ensuring you're going to the official page and not a third-party site. When you spot the correct search result, go ahead and click on it. Sometimes the link might be an advertisement at the top with ad next to it, or it could be among the first few non-sponsored search results. Either way, as long as the URL checks out, you're good to go. Clicking this link will take you directly to the Microsoft Teams web version. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully navigated your way to accessing Microsoft Teams through the web. This method does not require downloading any software, making it a quick and straightforward way to get into your meetings, manage your projects, or collaborate with your team online. Remember, accessing Microsoft Teams this way requires you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So ensure you have your login credentials handy. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, there will be options on the Teams login page to create one, which is also a straightforward process. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to accessing Microsoft Teams through the web. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.